Hey guys, my name is Walker Peak with Commercial Acoustics. Today I'm going to tell you about soundproofing a laundry room. This can be really annoying if you've got a loud dryer or washing machine keeping you from enjoying a show or just relaxing at home. In the show notes below, you can see some of our soundproofing curtains in previous videos, but today for the DIYers out there, we're going to show you how to soundproof a laundry room with mass-loaded vinyl and other soundproofing materials. So right here we have a loud washing machine during the final spin cycle. The buzzer's turned off, so we don't have to worry about the chime. But what we do have is sound escaping through these central lines as well as through the hollow core wood door itself. So right now we're going to do a 5-second average of the sound coming through the door with a Class 1 SPL meter. 3, 2, and at approximately 4 feet, it's 67.3 dBA. So right now we're going to install our wall blocker, which is our proprietary mass-loaded vinyl, similar to MLV but non-PVC, so it doesn't off-gas and a little bit heavier duty. We'll staple this to the back of the door, filling in any gaps and adding mass to the door itself. So we've pre-cut some rolls of wall blocker just beyond the length of the door. We're going to use a simple staple gun to apply this to the back of the laundry room door. So the wall blocker installs easily with a staple gun on the back of the wooden door, just as it does over existing drywall or plywood. We did overlap the seams just a bit, and we went higher on the door and at the bottom because we saw that there was a 5 dBA jump during our early readings at the top and bottom of the door. So now, with the washing machine in final spin mode, we're going to close the door. And you can immediately tell the difference. We'll get our 5-second reading now. Approximately 61 dBA is a 6 dBA drop. So today you learned how to DIY soundproof your laundry room doors. By adding mass-loaded vinyl, it greatly improves the sound attenuation of the door, making it easier to sleep, relax, or watch TV at home.